Dynojet is pleased to introduce the Universal Token System. Say goodbye to purchasing licenses one by one, waiting for business hours to get things unlocked, as any token can be exchanged for a feature, a device unlock 24/7 through our automated system. With Universal Tokens, you can instantly access tuning features, permissions, and device upgrades through your Dynojet account. No more must you wait online or on the phone with tech support, exchanging a file back and forth to get your PowerVision unlocked or to obtain a feature license. Dynojet has solved that problem with the Universal Token System, and we're pleased to introduce it to you today. Each token, if bought individually, $10. But for those of you tuning shops out there or individuals who want to grow from the ground up, you can buy 20, 40, 100, 400 tokens at a time. The more you buy, the more you save. It does offer premium tune files for select applications. Big heavy set of cams or a big bore where those premium tunes you can transact software solutions, an enhanced level of tuning access, an enhanced level of parameters and tables to tune for a particular vehicle.